Have you ever wondered what your body is actually doing while you're asleep? It may look like nothing is happening, but beneath the surface, an extraordinary repair operation is taking place. Every night, while your mind drifts through dreams, billions of cells begin repairing damage accumulated throughout the day. Your brain cleans itself, your muscles rebuild, your immune system strengthens, your heart recovers, your hormones reset, and even your DNA undergoes critical maintenance. Sleep is not simply a period of rest, it is the most important recovery process your body performs every single day. The surprising truth is that if you consistently cut your sleep short, many of these essential repairs remain unfinished. The consequences may not be obvious tomorrow morning, but over months and years, the hidden cost can affect nearly every organ in your body. Understanding what happens while you sleep may completely change the way you think about bedtime. One of the busiest organs during sleep is your brain. Although consciousness fades, your brain remains remarkably active. Throughout the day, billions of neurons communicate constantly, generating waste products as a natural byproduct of their activity. During deep sleep, a specialized cleaning network known as the glymphatic system becomes significantly more active. Cerebrospinal fluid flows through brain tissue, washing away metabolic waste that has accumulated during waking hours. Among these waste products are proteins that researchers believe may contribute to neurodegenerative diseases if allowed to build up over many years. In many ways, sleep functions like an overnight cleaning crew that prepares your brain for another day of thinking, learning, and remembering. Memory is also strengthened while you sleep. Throughout the day, your brain collects enormous amounts of information, but not everything deserves to be stored permanently. During different stages of sleep, especially slow-wave sleep and REM sleep, the brain sorts through experiences, reinforcing important memories while weakening less useful ones. This process helps explain why students often perform better after sleeping before an exam rather than staying awake all night studying. Sleep doesn't simply preserve memories, it actively reorganizes and strengthens them, making future recall faster and more accurate. Your muscles also rely on sleep for recovery. Whether you've completed an intense workout or simply gone about your daily routine, tiny microscopic tears develop within muscle fibers. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormone, which stimulates protein synthesis and tissue repair. Damaged muscle fibers are rebuilt stronger than before, allowing your body to adapt to physical activity. This is one reason athletes place such importance on quality sleep. Without enough deep sleep, muscle recovery slows, strength gains become more difficult, and the risk of injury increases because tissues never fully repair between workouts. Sleep also plays a crucial role in repairing your skin. Throughout the day, your skin is constantly exposed to ultraviolet radiation, pollution, dryer, and countless environmental stressors. During the night, skin cells increase their rate of renewal while collagen production accelerates. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping skin firm, smooth, and elastic. At the same time, blood flow to the skin improves, delivering oxygen and nutrients needed for repair. This is why chronic sleep deprivation often leads to dull skin, dark circles under the eyes, slower wound healing, and the appearance of premature aging. Even your DNA benefits from sleep. Every day, your cells experience damage caused by normal metabolism, environmental toxins, and ultraviolet light. Fortunately, every cell contains sophisticated repair systems capable of identifying and correcting many of these errors before they become permanent. Research suggests that many DNA repair mechanisms become more active during sleep, when the body can devote energy toward maintenance rather than responding to the constant demands of wakefulness. Although these repairs happen silently, they are essential for maintaining healthy tissues throughout your lifetime. Your immune system is another major beneficiary of healthy sleep. While you're asleep, immune cells communicate using signaling proteins called cytokines, coordinating responses that strengthen your defenses against infections. The body also produces antibodies and activates specialized immune cells that identify viruses, bacteria, and abnormal cells. Studies consistently show that people who regularly sleep less than 7 hours per night are more likely to catch common illnesses and often take longer to recover. Even vaccines may produce a weaker immune response in people who are chronically sleep deprived because the body has less opportunity to build long-lasting protection. The heart also takes advantage of sleep to recover from the demands of the day. During healthy sleep, blood pressure naturally falls, reducing strain on blood vessels and allowing the cardiovascular system to rest. Heart rate slows, stress hormone levels decline, and inflammation decreases. This nightly recovery period helps protect the heart from long-term wear and tear. When sleep is repeatedly shortened, however, blood pressure remains elevated for longer periods, cortisol stays higher than normal, and the heart loses valuable time for repair. Over many years, this increases the risk of hypertension, heart disease, and stroke. One of the most important repair jobs performed during sleep involves balancing hormones. Throughout the day, your endocrine system carefully regulates dozens of hormones controlling hunger, metabolism, stress, growth, and reproduction. During sleep, these hormones are recalibrated. Growth hormone peaks during deep sleep, supporting tissue repair and recovery. Cortisol gradually rises toward morning to prepare you for waking, while melatonin helps coordinate the body's internal clock throughout the night. Poor sleep disrupts this delicate balance, often increasing hunger, reducing insulin sensitivity, and making it more difficult for the body to regulate blood sugar efficiently. Your digestive system also uses the nighttime hours for maintenance. While digestion slows, the cells lining your stomach and intestines continue repairing themselves after constant exposure to food, stomach acid, digestive enzymes, and billions of bacteria. The gut microbiome, the enormous community of microorganisms living inside your digestive tract, also follows daily rhythms influenced by sleep. Disrupted sleep may alter the balance of beneficial bacteria, potentially affecting digestion, metabolism, immune function, and even mental health through the complex communication network known as the gut-brain axis. Sleep also restores emotional balance. Throughout the day, stressful experiences activate brain regions involved in fear, anxiety, and emotional processing. During REM sleep, the brain appears to reorganize emotional memories, reducing their intensity while preserving important lessons. This may explain why problems often seem less overwhelming after a good night's sleep. In contrast, sleep deprivation leaves the emotional centers of the brain more reactive while reducing activity in the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for rational thinking and emotional control. As a result, small frustrations can feel much larger than they really are. Energy production is carefully restored during sleep as well. Every cell depends on tiny structures called mitochondria to produce the energy required for survival. These microscopic power plants experience wear and tear during normal activity, generating unstable molecules known as free radicals. During sleep, antioxidant systems become more active, helping neutralize these harmful compounds while supporting mitochondrial repair. This allows your cells to produce energy more efficiently the following day, reducing fatigue and improving overall performance. Many people believe they can make up for lost sleep by simply sleeping longer on weekends. While extra sleep can reduce some of the immediate effects of sleep deprivation, many repair processes work best when they occur consistently every night. Your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, coordinates thousands of biological activities according to a regular schedule. Constantly changing your sleep pattern disrupts this timing, making repair work less efficient even if the total number of sleeping hours occasionally increases. Fortunately, supporting your body's natural repair system doesn't require expensive treatments or complicated routines. Maintaining a consistent bedtime, sleeping 7 to 9 hours each night, limiting caffeine late in the day, reducing bright screen exposure before bed, and creating a cool and quiet sleeping environment all improve sleep quality. These simple habits allow your body's remarkable repair systems to work at their full potential night after night. The hidden repair work performed during sleep is one of the greatest examples of your body's quiet intelligence. Every night, without your awareness, trillions of microscopic processes restore tissues, strengthen memories, balance hormones, protect your heart, rebuild muscles, repair DNA, support immunity, and prepare you for another day of life. None of this requires conscious effort, but all of it depends on giving your body enough time to do its job. Sleep is not time lost. It is time invested in every part of your health. Every peaceful night is another opportunity for your body to heal itself, ensuring that you wake not only rested, but biologically renewed from the inside out.